Greetings, class. This is Steve Burha, your instructor for Business Plan Development. I'm the course director. I'm going to give you a little bit about my background. I started off as a high school and middle school teacher, which I did from about 1975 to like 1980. I went from there to graduate school and got my doctorate in practical arts and vocational technical education, with a minor in swine production. So I've had a pretty diverse background. I went from there to the Farmers Cooperative in Kansas City, where I spent 5 years, and then spent 5 years in St. Louis working for Doane Information Services in publications, and then spent 2 years with the Internal Revenue Service. At that point, I moved to Florida, which I've been down here about 23 years doing business plans. Started off doing airport business plans and then got into individual companies. So I've done about 75 over the years, and a little bit of everything. The three I always talk about in class are: I helped start a country called the Principality of New Utopia. You can look it up online. One of the others was Acolatech, which is a company that does the destruction of toxic waste, and it was a portable system that came out of Canada. Plus, I usually talk about Premix, which was a company that makes railroad ties. So again, very diverse background. I've also acted as CEO of a couple of companies, CFO, Chief Financial Officer, as well as Chief Information Officer of a couple of companies. But I've been with Full Sail for about 10 years, doing business plans both online and in class. But I'm looking forward to working with you. I'm going to look at your work as an investor would. Your business plans can be used for a lot of things, including finding money, but also loans, using it with your vendors, or just using it to convince somebody that, hey, you're the real thing. And so looking forward to working with you. We'll get to know each other through the course. So look for other videos that I'll be posting in the future. So again, welcome to the class. I'm Steve Burho, and you should see from behind me, this is my house, and we will talk more later.